Before starting, let me reveal you the truth. I have ranked these plants according to the amount of neglect I have given them due to my very busy life schedule. Let's start. Scientists found that indoor air can be as polluted and deadly as outdoor air and can even lead to the allergies, headache, nausea and lack of concentration. Proper ventilation is the best way to prevent this. However, introducing air purifying house plants are the best and cheapest way to purify indoor air naturally. Today I am sharing 7 best air purifying indoor plants which I have in my home. These plants not only add a touch of color but also clean the air, help to remove toxins and improve air quality. Let's take them one by one. Aloe vera is on the top of my list. It is a succulent. It is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Can be eaten as vegetable, drank as juice, or you can even make pickle out of it. It is very hardy, easy to propagate and is maintenance free. It is the best plant for beginners as I have never seen any pest infestation or any disease in this plant. It is a great air purifier and can remove toxins from air like formaldehyde. Jade plant comes second in my list. It is also known as friendship plant or lucky plant. Jade plant is a succulent and is considered by some as a sign of good luck and prosperity. This is the best air purifying house plant and need at least 4 hours of sunlight each day. If you are planning to keep it indoors, choose a spot having bright direct sunlight. This plant is very easy to propagate and it's very hardy. Due to their long lifespans and resiliency, these plants make great gifts that can last a lifetime and can be passed from generation to generation. It can remove acetone and other volatile organic compounds very effectively from the air, thus making it the best air purifying house plant. Ficus is an ornamental plant. I have 2 varieties of ficus in my home and both look very beautiful. The famous Bodhi tree under which Lord Buddha achieved enlightenment was a Ficus religiosa. Ficus is often seen as a landscape tree with hanging and buttressed root and the magnificent crown. Its aerial roots provide structural support and beauty to the plant. Like most other air purifiers, Ficus prefers bright indirect sunlight and rich and fast draining soil. It can remove toxins like formaldehyde, trichloroethylene and benzene from the air very effectively. Dracaena is a beautiful indoor plant. Variegated Dracaena is also known as Song of India. It loves indirect sunlight as direct sunlight can burn its leaves. This plant is very hardy, loves well-drained soil and it's a great air purifier plant. It can remove toxins like formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, xylene and acetone from the air. This plant is very easy to propagate. It is a popular plant because of its forgiving nature and it is one of the best indoor plants for beginners. Sansevieria or snake plant is a beautiful air purifying indoor plant. It is a succulent. It has very low maintenance and it's very hardy plant. It can tolerate bright direct light or very low light also. It is a great air purifier and can remove toxins like formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, benzene and xylene. Sansevieria can rot from overwatering. So it is very important that they are potted in well-drained soil and not overwatered. It is very easy to propagate and is highly pest-resistant plant. ZZ plant is a very hardy, beautiful indoor plant. It can tolerate neglect, it is drought tolerant and can survive in low light conditions. Its waxy, smooth leaves reflect sunlight and brighten rooms. It is a popular plant because of its forgiving nature, and so it is perfect for beginners. According to NASA Clean Air study, the ZZ plant helps in cleaning the indoor air by absorbing pollutants such as xylene, toluene, and carbon dioxide. Syngonium is also known as arrowhead plant. These plants are not just decorative, they are the great air purifying hardy plants and can remove toxins like benzene, formaldehyde, toluene, and xylene from air. They also reduce airborne microbes. They are easy to care and easy to propagate plants. They are low light tolerant house plants and can grow virtually anywhere in your home. Pothos or money plant is an easy to grow indoor house plant. Grows well in water, pots and hanging baskets. It adds instant color to any room with its cascading tendrils. It's a great air purifier and can remove toxins like xylene, benzene, formaldehyde and trichloroethylene. I have kept it last in my list because it loves exceptionally humid and moist climate. Since we live in Rajasthan and it is very hot and dry in summers here, it does not do well in such climate. But in rainy season, it will spellbound you with its magnificent beauty. To sum up, there are few common points to remember about these plants. All these plants are air purifying, hard to kill, easy to propagate, needs less water, needs well draining soil, do best in indirect bright light, not easily infected by pest and disease, thus making them a perfect choice for beginners.